If you miss out on this opportunity, you may well look back on it as your Google Apple Stock moment. You may well look back on it as, why didn't I get into it when I could have to save my institution? Institutions right now, particularly those in minority or supporting minority groups, largely are based on tuition, raising tuition, grants, and really the occasional donation. You don't see very many donations. The third leg of that stool is contracting. It is in fact hard to get into. It is hard to make that mental shift, as you'll hear throughout the day and throughout this 2-year process if you're going to go along the path with the Maestro program. But once you have made that shift, you are in fact a change agent for your university, for your institution, to go forward into how do we strengthen the university, increase its capacity, and increase its ability to sustain itself going into the next few years, the next few months, the next few generations of students we hope to support.